Here is a comprehensive, detailed breakdown of vinblastine. 1. Basic information. Generic name, vinblastine. Drug class, anti-neoplastic agent, vinca alkaloid. Drug forms, intravenous, IV injection only. Brand name, Velbane. Also available as generic formulations by various manufacturers. 2. Definition. Vinblastine is a cytotoxic, cell-killing chemotherapy agent derived from the Catharanthus roseus, Madagascar periwinkle plant. It is used to treat several types of cancer by inhibiting cell division, thereby slowing or stopping tumor growth. 3. Mechanism of action. Vinblastine disrupts the normal function of microtubules in the mitotic spindle. It binds to tubulin, a protein essential for the formation of microtubules. Prevents polymerization of tubulin into microtubules. This causes metaphase arrest of dividing cells. Cancer cells cannot divide and thus die. Results in apoptosis, programmed cell death, in rapidly dividing tumor cells. It is considered cell cycle specific, active during the M phase, mitotic phase. 4. Uses. Vinblastine is commonly used in combination chemotherapy for the following conditions. 1. Hodgkin's lymphoma. 2. Non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. 3. Testicular cancer. 4. Kaposi sarcoma. 5. Breast cancer. 6. Choriocarcinoma. 7. Mycosis fungoides. 8. Langerhans cell histiocytosis X. 5 indications, part of ABVD regimen for Hodgkin's disease, palliative and curative treatment in testicular tumors, treatment of disseminated cancers or those resistant to other drugs. 6. Contraindications. Vinblastine should not be used in patients with known hypersensitivity to vinblastine or vinca alkaloids, patients with severe leukopenia, low white blood cell count, unless it's cancer-related, intrathecal administration via spinal canal, fatal outcome, active uncontrolled infections, pregnant or breastfeeding women. 7. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Before starting vinblastine, inform your healthcare provider if you are pregnant or planning to become pregnant, have liver disease, dose adjustment may be necessary, have a current or recent infection, have a history of gout or high uric acid, have pre-existing neurological disorders or bone marrow suppression, are taking other chemotherapy or immunosuppressants, plan to receive any live vaccines. Special populations, pregnancy, category D, potential risk to fetus, breastfeeding, contraindicated, elderly, increased susceptibility to side effects. 8. How to use. Administered intravenously, IV, by a trained healthcare professional. Never given intrathecally, causes fatal central nervous system CNS toxicity, typically infused once a week or per specific protocol. Requires close monitoring of blood counts and organ function. General dosing. Example for Hodgkin's lymphoma, 3.7 milligrams IV once weekly. May be part of a regimen like adriamycin, bleomycin, vinblastine, dacarbazine. Adjust doses based on liver function, bone marrow status, white blood cell BC count, neutrophil count. Dose adjustments. Hepatic impairment, dose reduction required. Renal impairment, no standard adjustment, but caution is advised. 10. Misdose, overdose. Misdose. Contact your doctor or cancer center immediately. Never attempt to self-administer or make up the dose on your own. Overdose symptoms, bone marrow suppression, neurotoxicity, paralytic ileus, seizures, death. Treatment for overdose, no specific antidote. Supportive measures, blood transfusions, growth factor support, e.g. GCSF, hydration. Activated charcoal, if oral ingestion, rare, as vinblastine is not orally available. 11. Stop or avoid taking if you develop signs of severe neurotoxicity, numbness, tingling, weakness. You experience unexplained infection or fever, sign of neutropenia. Blood tests show critical drops in WBCs or platelets. Liver enzymes become significantly elevated. You develop signs of SIADH, low sodium, confusion, fatigue. 12. Side effects in detail. Common side effects: nausea, vomiting, constipation, alopecia, hair loss, fatigue, jaw pain. Hematologic, bone marrow suppression, WBCs, anemia, thrombocytopenia, increased risk of infection. Neurological, peripheral neuropathy, tingling, numbness, decreased reflexes, jaw or facial pain, muscle weakness. Gastrointestinal, severe constipation or paralytic ileus, abdominal cramps, anorexia, loss of appetite. Respiratory, shortness of breath, rare pulmonary toxicity, more common in combinations with other drugs like bleomycin. Other severe serious, SIH, syndrome of inappropriate antidiuretic hormone secretion, sepsis, infertility, temporary or permanent, anaphylaxis or allergic reactions. 13. Vital information, only administer intravenously, fatal if administered intraspinally. Monitor CBC, renal, and liver function tests during treatment. Requires frequent hospital visits or clinic supervision. Ensure hydration to prevent gout and tumor lysis syndrome. Use of laxatives or stool softeners may be required to prevent constipation. Avoid live vaccines and contact with people who recently received them. Hasher 14. Other drugs that will affect vinblastine. CYP3A4 interactions. Vinblastine is metabolized by the CYP3A4 liver enzyme. Drugs that inhibit CYP3A4 can increase vinblastine levels. Ketoconazole, erythromycin, clarithromycin, ritonavir, itraconazole, grapefruit juice. Drugs that induce 3A4 can decrease vinblastine efficacy. Rifampin, phenytoin, carbamazepine. Increased risk of side effects with bleomycin, pulmonary toxicity, mitomycin C, pulmonary damage, neurotoxic agents, worsened neuropathy, live vaccines, severe infection risk. Others, phenytoin, vinblastine may lower phenytoin levels, cisplatin, enhanced bone marrow toxicity. Thank you. Have a nice day.